Hello, I'm Dave Pearce. I teach the Analog Electronics and Physics module in the first year, and this is a very short introduction to the QuizUp, which is a teaching and assessment tool that we use extensively in this course. First of all, what is the QuizUp and how does it work? Well, the QuizUp is an online quiz. There's one topic approximately every week, and we'll be asking you to complete to the best of your abilities that topic in that week. You can come back to topics at any time. You can take the quizzes as often as you like. That's up to you. We actually want to encourage you to get as much practice as you can doing these topics. I'll quickly give you a quick demonstration of the first topic, which is about Ohm's law. This is what the welcome screen looks like when you enter the QuizUp topic for Ohm's law. You can practice as many times as you like. It will generate questions for you. And when you're ready, you can press start and run through a quiz of 6 questions. And it's the total mark you get for that set of questions that will count. So some of you I know will have come across Ohm's law before. In very simple terms, Ohm's law says that the difference between the voltages on either side of a resistor is equal to the current flowing through the resistor times the value of the resistance. And some people put those things in a triangle like this. It helps them to remember how to use the different versions of Ohm's law. Delta V is I times R. I is delta V over R, or R is delta V over I. In this particular case here, we're being asked what value the voltmeter should read. The voltmeter measures the voltage, and in this case it's measuring the voltage across the resistor, so that's delta V. Delta V is the unknown. The current, this is a current source here. It's forcing 200 nanoamps to flow up through here and down through the resistor. So we know the current through the resistor, 200 nanoamps. We know the value of the resistor, 100K. We can multiply them together to get the answer. There's a calculator built into the QuizUp, and it's quite an intelligent calculator because it understands what nano means. Nano is a multiplier. Nano means 10 to the power of minus 9. And it understands what K means. K means multiply by 1,000. So a 100K resistor is a 100,000 ohm resistor. Multiply them together and you get the big green tick, which indicates that you're right. Now, you may have noticed that there was a clock counting down while I timed that, and that indicates the current score available for the question. So the faster you can do the problems, the more marks you get. We want to encourage you to become fluent and efficient at answering these things. There are a lot of topics in the QuizUp, around, as I say, 1 per week. Some of them get more exciting than simple Ohm's law. Oscilloscopes, for example, shows you pictures of an oscilloscope display. That's a piece of test equipment that plots a graph of voltage on the y-axis against time on the x-axis and asks you questions about this. And there'll be one topic, approximately 1 per week during the first year. We find it a really good way to get a lot of practice and experience in solving circuits and solving problems. Some people get addicted to the QuizUp, which is possibly no bad thing, because those people get very good at solving these problems. Anyway, that's a very quick introduction to one aspect of the teaching of the Analog Electronics module in the first year. Thanks for listening.